What's up YouTube, it's your boy Car Venture Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm gonna be telling you guys the pros and cons of adding E85 or tuning your car to E85 to your G37, Q50, G35, whatever you got, or any car. To be honest, what are the benefits and what are the cons behind it? If you guys are interested in this video, definitely stay tuned to this video and let's get into it. So the first pro about E85 is that it makes your car faster. I'm not even gonna lie, it does. It makes it respond faster. Let's do a little pull for you guys. Woo! It's definitely faster. I'm not even gonna lie, it's definitely faster. It's definitely gonna improve how the way your car responds. Like, I recently changed last month. I had went 91 because I thought I was gonna go on a road trip, and I instantly felt the difference between E85 and 91. The 91 just wasn't responding like how the way the E does. I feel like the E, as soon as you just put the E, man, the car is just ready to go. Like, it's like the motor just loves E85. So I'm definitely happy that I went this route. I was definitely scared about the whole tuning process. If you guys been following me for a long time, when I had the G37, you guys was asking me to tune that car, you know what I'm saying? I kind of wish I did. Well, actually I wish I did. That's one regret that, you know, I'm gonna have, that I didn't get to tune that car before, you know, things happen. But it is what it is. Got to tune this car. Now I see that it is important, you know, to tune your car. Like, it definitely makes it different. It makes your car just respond well, and it's just better, you know what I'm saying? For the car, you know, it gets the performance out of it. Like, I believe on 91, when I tuned on 91, I was like, what I tuned? What was my power? My power on 91, I think, was like 304. And then when I added some E in it, because I still don't know my numbers for full E85, but on E65 I was like 314. Definitely like bumped it up a lot, you know what I'm saying? So E definitely makes your car faster, makes it run better in my opinion. And yeah, so that would definitely be the first pro. The second pro is that it smells good and is actually good for the environment. It burns better than regular gas. I don't know why all cars don't just go to E, to be honest, but it burns way better than 91, and it's better for the environment because it's corn. As we pull up on it, of course you guys can't smell it, but I'll be able to smell it. But we're gonna continue to talk about it. But yeah, it's definitely good for the environment because the E is made out of corn, and it burns better than gas. Let's go ahead and put some E in the car right now. Where's my wallet? Smells good. And another thing that's a good pro about E is that you can see that it's a lot cheaper. $3.79 compared to $4.99 for gas. I'll take that any day. I'll take that any day. So that's another benefit if you want to do E. Save you a lot of money. Usually save $1 a gallon on gas than 91. Already 6 gallons for $23. Boy, if you was pumping 91, and I'm talking about Chevron, this is off-brand gas station. Chevron, they probably want like $5.69 or $5.80 right now for gas. Man, this is crazy. They over here tripping. But yeah, $3.79 is not bad. Actually, the gas station that I used to go to at E was like $3.49, but I'm too far away from that gas station. I wanted to kind of fill my car up a little bit because I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos this weekend and today and be all over. Cool, 10 gallons off of $40. how much I wanted to spend anyway. It's perfect. OC. Cool. Let's see what she done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Full tank. Now we gotta bless the tank. Oh, like I said, the benefits of E, man, is car is a lot faster, bro. A lot faster. You're gonna have a lot of fun. You're gonna have a lot of fun with E85. I guarantee you, bro. Just do it. But now let's go ahead and get into the cons of E85. I only got two. That's the only thing that I could think of. So let's go ahead and get into the first one. The first con and the biggest con is your miles per gallon is gonna take a big hit. It is. I'm not even gonna lie. I think on E, I range 20 miles per gallon. I think when I was on 91, I probably get less than that. I think I probably get like maybe anywhere between 15 to 18 because gas be running out so fast on E. One thing about E is it burns faster than 91. So no matter what, even if you're, you know, you're not even like going crazy with pulls, or you're not like, you know, doing too much, no matter what, you are going to run out of gas fast because it burns fast. And if you are doing pulls and doing all the extra stuff, it's going to run out a lot faster. So your miles per gallon definitely take a hit. So I guess like what kind of offsets it, yeah, the E is like a little, yes, the E is cheaper than 91, but you're going to be at the gas station more frequently than you are if you had if you were on 91. So as far as daily driving on E, this week was actually my first time going back and forth to work. It didn't do too bad per se, but I didn't fill it up in the beginning of my week, so I wanted to see like how it is at the beginning of my week compared to me filling it up like I think the next day. But it didn't do too bad. I wasn't driving too fast, wasn't driving too crazy. Another con is that there are not a lot of E85 stations around like there is 91. So like not every gas station offer E85. So depending on what area you in, I definitely suggest doing your research and finding out, do you have any E85 stations near you, just so you won't be going super duper out the way. Luckily, I live in California, the Bay Area. We got a couple, some is, you know, miles away, but I have like two that's like, well actually three that's like right by my house. So it's not really a cost concern for me, but it could be for other people depending on where you live. So I would definitely suggest doing your research and just seeing if there are any E85 stations near you. If there's any E85 stations near you, I would definitely you know, do that research before you tune your car, because that can be a hassle and you don't want to go too out the way for E85, because like I said, this gas runs out quick and you don't want to be driving, you know, almost on E, still looking for an E gas station, and one is like 50-60 miles out. So definitely do your research before you go ahead and do that. But as far as like the whole E85, man, like I don't regret it. It's actually, I actually love it. I'll take being at the pump a little bit more than what I was on 91 because how the car runs. The car runs great, super responsive on E. Like I said, it smells good. It seems like the motor just loves it. And it makes your car faster, especially if you're trying to like gear up for boost and stuff like that. It's definitely gonna enhance that as well. So I definitely vouch getting your car tuned and going on E85. I actually made a couple of videos about my whole E85 process. You can see the installation, you can see the dyno tune, you can see all of that. So all of those are in the Q50 playlist as well if you guys want to see what I did to go on E. But really all you need is some GTR injectors and upgraded fuel pump and a tune, and that's about it. Like, it's really simple. But if you guys want to watch it, you know, go ahead and watch it. And yeah, man, I don't want to make this video too long, but I appreciate you guys for supporting the channel over the years. If you guys have been following over the years, I definitely do appreciate you guys, and thank you. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
They was praying that I fall off. Yeah, stood 10 toes, never fall young. Finna ball off. And it's still west side Pasadena.